If you have ever thought that I want to make money by selling digital products online, but I want to do it without showing my face on social media, then this video is for you. Because today I'm going to walk you through how you can start selling your digital products through faceless Instagram reels. Yes, without having to get ready, without having to put your makeup on, and without having to show up on camera every single day. Alright, now I know that faceless content is actually trending right now because a lot of people are trying it out. But what a lot of people don't tell you is that getting views on your faceless content is not the same as getting sales from your faceless content. And in fact, most Instagram reels never make money, not because they don't go viral, but because these faceless reels miss one very important factor which contributes to making sales, and that is trust. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the faceless content in the right way, why most creators are stuck between getting views and no conversions, what type of faceless content is actually going to get trust with the audience, and how you can connect the dots between your views and your sales. So let's get into it. Okay, let me start by saying that I love faceless content. I love how it makes content creation more accessible, and a lot of people actually want to get into this only because they don't have to show their face on social media, and it actually makes sense. You don't have to be camera ready all the time, you don't need to have the perfect background, and you don't have to be consistently on for content creation. And as someone who actually sells digital products all the time, I can say that yes, faceless content does work, but only when it is backed by the right strategy. Here is a very common thing that I've been noticing these days, and that is a lot of people post faceless content, but what they do is they take stock videos or aesthetic b-roll, they put vague caption or vague text on screen, and then they post the content expecting that they are going to get a lot of engagement on it, but when they don't get the same results as they expected, they feel defeated. But the problem here is not the format. The problem is that your faceless content is not building trust with your audience. And see, I totally understand this because people just cannot buy anything from you only because you are posting pretty reels. People buy from you when they build trust. And if your reel, no matter how viral it is going, if it is not making someone feel something or giving them something useful or solving a problem that they are facing, they will just scroll past it. So now the big question is, how do you build trust with your audience if you're not showing your face on social media? And the answer is very simple, and that is that you build trust by providing value in your content and actually personalizing your content. With faceless reels, your visuals might hook people, but your value that you're providing inside your reels is what make them stick to your content. Let me give you a very simple example here. Imagine you are in the digital side hustle niche and your audience is the beginners who want to actually start this side hustle. Instead of just taking a simple b-roll and putting some trending audio on it, imagine that you're actually filming yourself. That means you're personalizing your video. I just want to mention here that you don't have to show your face, but you still have to film yourself, because in this way your videos can be personalized. So that shows the other person that there is someone, like a real person, behind this channel or behind this page. Imagine putting this type of content and then actually providing value in your content. Right away, that is going to spark curiosity. That is where trust begins. When your audience sees that there is a real person behind this page and they are also sharing value, they want to stick with you. And make sure with all of this, your content is actually shouting out loud and actually saying that I have been at your place and this is how I can help you out. Let me tell you how I personally use faceless content in my business. I have grown my Instagram to over 10,000 followers, and a lot of times I have posted content in which I'm not showing my face on social media, and at times when I am actually promoting faceless marketing, because that is something that I also offer in my program, which is Passive Creators Hub. So when I'm talking about faceless marketing in my content, I make sure that I give live example of how the faceless content works. Here's the system that makes it work. I create create reels that either share a quick tip, a behind the scenes look at my business, or walk through a relatable story. I use text overlays or captions to actually provide value to my audience. And then in the call to action, I drive traffic to my freebie so that I can start building my email list on the side as well. Once they grab my freebie, they land on my email list, and then I start sending them some automated emails. In this way, I share value through my emails, I build trust, and then I introduce one of my digital products that is paid. This is the exact system I use, and this is the exact system that I also teach in my program step by step, and that is Passive Creators Hub. And the only thing that you have to understand here is you can still make money with digital products even if you don't want to show your face on social media. But what you need to understand is how you are going to use the visuals, the text, the caption, and call to action, and basically your messaging and your value to build trust with your audience. Now, let's go a little deeper and talk about the faceless reels that can actually drive sales. First, you have screen recordings, and trust me, this is so simple and effective that I even use this type in my face forward content as well. So you can record yourself walking through something on your laptop, like designing your funnel in Canva or actually setting up your funnel in Systemy.io. With this screen recording, you can add a text overlay, maybe add a voiceover or even a trending audio, and then write a caption in which you explain everything that you're talking about in your reel or actually showing in your reel. And then you can also mention about a call to action, like what you really want your audience to do next. Another type is storytelling reels using B-rolls, and actually you can do this one thing in different ways. First of all, you can clip different B-rolls that you have, and then you can put a trending audio in it and actually take people or your audience through a certain story or a transformation. Another thing is you can actually just use one B-roll, put some text on it, put a trending audio, and then explain your story in the caption, because when you share your story, people find it relatable, and whenever there is relatability, people will trust you. Other than that, you can just create some tutorial style videos in which you can show something very helpful in 15 to 60 seconds. For example, if you're in the niche of meal prepping, what you can do is you can actually show the visuals of how you actually meal prep for a week. Or if you're in the niche of digital marketing and making money online with digital products, you can show a simple tutorial of creating an ebook, and you just have to show the screen of your laptop. So these are some different styles in which you can film your faceless videos. That means you don't have to show yourself on the camera. And lastly, don't forget the behind the scenes types of videos, because whenever you show behind the scenes of whatever you are doing, it helps you to build credibility. All of these types of reels are faceless, but they are helpful. And when people start learning from you or they start relating with you, that is when you start building trust with your audience. And remember, trust always leads to sales. So now, let me ask you this. Can you sell your digital product with faceless Instagram reels? Absolutely yes, but only when you shift your focus from how can I avoid being on camera to actually how I can help my audience genuinely, even if I'm not showing my face on social media. Remember, when you create content that teaches, inspires, shows proof, people don't care if you're showing your face on social media or not. What they care about is how you can help them solve a problem. So, if you have been waiting for the sign to finally start creating content and start selling your digital products, I want you to take this video as your sign and finally get started. And now, since you're convinced that you can start selling digital products with faceless Instagram content, but if you're wondering what kind of digital product that you can start selling, I would highly recommend you to watch this video, because I've literally explained the best digital products that you can start selling in 2026. And I've also given a way in which you can select what digital product suits you the best. I'm super excited for you. Just click on this video and I will see you there.